Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's severe weather update. So today we have an enhanced risk for severe weather across much of southern Nebraska, northern Kansas, and the northeastern corner of Colorado. We have a slight risk covering much of the eastern high plains east of the Rockies through the central Great Plains in the yellow, and we have another slight risk of severe weather across portions of eastern Oklahoma, central Arkansas, far northwest Mississippi, and western Tennessee, and a very large marginal risk surrounding that in the dark green. Now, looking at today's tornado threat, we have a 5% chance of tornadoes within 25 miles of a location in this brown shaded area, and a 2% chance in this green shaded area. So make sure to prepare for a couple of tornadoes if you live in the shaded areas today. Now, looking at today's damaging wind threat, this threat's going to be much more significant, where the Storm Prediction Center has put a 30% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour or stronger within 25 miles of a location in the red shaded area, a 15% chance in the yellow areas, and a 5% chance in the brown areas. And we have a very large hatched area, signifying a large area has the potential to see 75-mile-per-hour hurricane force wind gusts within 25 miles of a location, a 10% chance. So make sure you really prepare for damaging winds today if you live in the Central Plains. Now, looking at the hail threat, the hail threat's also going to be pretty significant, with a 30% chance of quarter-size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in the red shade area, a 15% chance in the yellow shade area, and a 5% chance in the brown shade area. And we have a very large area that could be seeing some very large to giant hail today, with a 10% chance of seeing 2-inch in diameter or hen egg size hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in this large hatched area today. And we could see some areas see hail up to 3 to 4 inches in diameter today. So I would recommend parking your car in a garage if you are able to today, if you live in the hatched area. Now, timing out the storms across the Midwest, or the Great Plains, I mean, starting around 3 o'clock this afternoon, we're going to start to see some storms initiate across portions of northeast Wyoming, southwest South Dakota, northwest Nebraska. And as we go into between 4, 5, and 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, storms are going to absolutely blossom across the Central Plains, with several supercells likely developing between 4 and 6 p.m. and moving east-southeast across portions of Nebraska, Kansas. These could be producing some very large hail. And then as we head into 7 to 8 p.m., we could be seeing some supercells with gargantuan hail across portions of southern Nebraska and northern Kansas, possibly across southeastern Nebraska as well, as indicated by this very high reflectivity in the storms. And then as we head into about 10 p.m. through 1 a.m., the storms are going to transition more to a damaging wind threat as they become more of a linear MCS mode. And even as we head through the about midnight through 2 a.m., storms are going to push across Kansas and Missouri and should weaken at this point, but we could see another round of intense storms develop in the morning hours of tomorrow across northeastern Oklahoma and push into Arkansas. So we're going to be seeing a lot of severe weather today, especially across the eastern Rockies and central high plains. And looking at rainfall accumulations today, we could be seeing several areas seeing between 1 inch and 2 inches of rain with this storm event, especially down towards Oklahoma. Up to 3 inches could fall. So we do have a little bit of a flash flooding threat. The Weather Prediction Center has issued a slight risk of excessive flooding rainfall in the yellow area today, and a marginal risk in the dark green of excessive flooding rainfall. Also, a little bit of flood potential in southern Florida today, so make sure you watch out for that as well. Anyway, thanks for watching my severe weather update for today. Make sure to prepare for severe weather if you live in the shaded areas. Have a wonderful day, my friends.